Firstly, check the broken part, and then estimate the size, and then cut the material. When you cut the material, you need to run the gauge. Okay, now we finish run the gauge and the repair material. It is very important because use this part, you can dry it very correctly. And then, put it in the middle. Draw a line with the repair material. And then clean the material broken part and the back side of the repair part. Use the glue. Put it at the broken part and then draw it very evenly. Why we draw a line on the broken part? Because when you put the glue on the broken part, you can make it very evenly, not big size. Okay, let's do the same thing at the back side. Take appropriate glue evenly. You do not need to put it very much. It's enough for a little. Okay, let's wait for a minute. Use the cold wind to make it dry. In this step, you need to use the cold wind. Touch it. When you feel it is not dry, both material, and then it is no dry. See? Okay, it's totally dry, and then put it at the appropriate size together. Press it. Use your finger or a stick object. And then use the warm wind to dry it. In this way, it can melt the material and the broken part. When you use the dry wind, you need to press it. It can hit the two glue surface and adhere them together. After that, you'll find it is stronger even than before. Finish.